we've closed out on GoPro. Look at this. The stock at the low this morning was down 32%. We entered short here on the 26th of December, literally just under 2 weeks ago. It's a bearish pattern looking at the daily on the left hand side. We are stuck below the 20 MA. This thing is not going to get a bid, and it's just going lower and lower, and that culminated in the drop today. What an amazing move. Learn what especially helped us put together the trade is the fact that we are trapped below these moving averages on the right hand side on the weekly chart, and boom, now we didn't quite get off right at the low. I was expecting the stock to continue lower, but it seemed that within the first 10 minutes the stock then started to turn around. So we got out around this area here when it became clear this stock was going back up. Look at the February 7 put now. We bought it at an entry price of 41 cents. As of the close today, it's $1.12, but we got out earlier on at a much better price, $1.40. Let me show you. We got in at around, where are we? This is the actual chart now of the actual option. We got out here at $1.40, around there. That's where we got out. So not quite at the top, but nevertheless, what an amazing trade. So we're back now to the daily chart. Guys, if there's one thing to learn from this trade, it's the fact that we rely on the charts. The charts tell us which way to trade, whether up or down. The charts tell us where the institutional money flow is going. It's not you or me behind our laptop or desktop at home or trading on our phone that moves markets. It's big investment banks and hedge funds. They are the forces. Those are the forces that move the markets. And by reading the charts, you can tell which way they are going to move a stock. What you mustn't do is follow the news and follow speculation and go on hearsay. The charts don't lie. The institutions sometimes put out rumors just to get you on the wrong side of the trade. If you follow the charts, it will lead you to the promised land, as we can clearly see in today's trade. I mean, just to put this into perspective, if we go on StockTwits, we can see in recent days and weeks, 60 to 70% of the traders on StockTwits were bullish on GoPro. They were saying, oh, it's going to get a buyout. It's a good buyout candidate. This thing's going to go up. If you traded based on that commentary, you'd have your head handed to you. Remember, follow the charts, learn how to read the charts, and you will profit time after time. This actually looks like a bottoming tail, so it could be the fact that this is the bottoming GoPro. I'm not going to enter this trade on the long side. I'm just going to wait for things to play out and unravel for a few more days before looking at it again. But what an amazing trade. 241% in less than 2 weeks. If we go to the home page, we've now got the track record up for 2018. It's on the front home page. Let's click on it, and you can see that's our fourth trade that we've closed out, 241%, which is absolutely great. So you can see we've had an amazing start to 2018. Look at all of these trades we've done. All of them are well in excess of 100%, and most of them are within the space of a week or two, which is absolutely spectacular. What I want you guys to do is, if you enjoy being with me on tradingwithzach.com, please send a friend along who joins up as a member, and I will give you a discount coupon code for you to get a discount for a month or two. With the cash we've raised from these trades we've closed, we're going to be deploying new positions very soon this week. So keep a lookout on the trade alerts page. You will get email notification. If you're on the free trial, with a track record like this, sign up straight away, upgrade your membership, and you will learn how to profit from the markets in 2018. I want to thank you guys for being with me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next trade alert.